We are asked to find the area of this triangle. Welcome back to my channel. So what we are going to do is simple. Alright, let's consider triangle ABD. Okay, let's call this length A. This is A, and we call this length B. Alright, or let's use X and Y. Yeah, let's use X and Y. This is X, and this length is Y. Now from here to here, E and D, let's call the length P. That is from here to here. Let's call it P. Alright. Now area of a triangle is half of the base multiplied by the height. Half of the base multiplied by the height. So if we should consider triangle ABD, right? So in triangle ABD, the area, which is 6, right, should be equal to half multiplied by the base is y multiplied by the height is x. So it means that 6 is equal to xy divided by 2. Okay? Then the next thing will be to actually cross multiply. So cross multiplying 6 times 2 is 12. So we have 12 is equal to xy. Alright. Now we call this equation 1. Then similarly, in triangle ADE, let us extrapolate this length. Okay? So let's extrapolate it. Okay. Now having done that, remember that BD will be equal to A. Let's call this F. Let's call this place F. Okay? So AF will also be equal to Y. So this place is also Y. Alright. And that is actually the height of triangle ADE. Alright? So in triangle ADE now, the area which is 2 will be equal to half multiplied by, now the base is here, DE, which is P, right? P multiplied by the height, which is AF, which is also Y. Okay? So cross multiplying, 2 times 2 is 4. We have 4 is equal to PY. Alright? Now, since we have Y here and we have Y here, let's make Y the subject of the formula from equation 1. So from 1, we have that Y will be equal to 12 over X. 12 divided by X. Okay? Alright. So let's substitute that into equation 2. This is our equation 2. Alright. Let me clean this. So let's substitute that into equation 2. I just hope I've not cleaned something important to me. So our equation 2 is what? 4 is equal to PY. So this means that 4 is equal to P multiplied by our Y is 12 over X. 12 over X. Alright? So if we cross multiply, we have 4X is equal to 12P. Okay? Now, let's divide both sides. I'm trying to form an equation. So let's divide both sides by 4. Dividing both sides. We are going to have 4x divided by 4 is equal to 12p divided by 4. So we have x is equal to 3p. Now let's get a ratio of x over p. All right. We will have x over p is equal to 3p over p. So this implies that x over p is equal to 3. So we're going to keep this aside. This is very important. All right. Now, when you look at these two triangles, remember that this is 90 and this is 90. Okay? If you look at triangle A, B, D and triangle E, D, C. Okay, so I'm going to write this here that x over p is equal to 3. So permit me to clean everything so that we can have enough space to work with. Hope you have subscribed to this wonderful channel. If not, please do that. Okay, all right. Now this is what we have. I want to come to this side so that you understand the comparison. Now I'm comparing triangle. Notice that triangle A, angle ABD. So angle ABD is equal to angle EDC. Angle EDC. Both are equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Similarly, you can see that both of them share this angle. They have the same angle in common. So angle ACB is also equal to angle ECD. Both are what? Unknown. We don't know. But they are equal because they are common. That this angle is common to both angles. Now, I want us to remember that the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles is equal to the square root of their corresponding areas. Okay, is equal to the square root of their areas. Now the ratio of their corresponding sides, if I take AB, it's going to be AB over ED, right? So it simply means that ABD, triangle ABD is similar to triangle EDC. That is what we concluded. ABD is similar to triangle EDC. So from here, we can say that the ratio of their corresponding sides, which is AB divided by ED, is equal to the area, square of the area, the square root of their area. Now, area of triangle ABC is 6 plus 2 plus A, which is what? 8 plus A, divided by the area of the smaller triangle, which is A. Now, AB is X, ED is P, is equal to square root of 8 plus A all over A. Okay, now let's solve. Now, X over P is 3, is equal to the square root of 8 plus A all over A. Now, let's square both sides. So, if we square both sides, we are going to have 3 squared will be equal to the square root of 8 plus A all over A, all squared. Okay? Alright, now 3 squared is 9, is equal to, this we remove this, we have 8 plus A over A. Now cross multiplying, we have 9 times A is 9A, is equal to 8 plus A. Alright, so if we bring this to this side, we have 9A minus A is equal to 8. So 8a is equal to 8 divided by 8 divided by 8, and we have that a is equal to 1. 1 square unit. So it means that here is 1. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC will be equal to 6 plus 2 plus 1, which is 9 units squared. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.